Hello, we're just going to look round the PROFORGE MaxTilla. It's a 2017 machine. This is one of our best-selling machines new, so it's good to get a good tidy, very tidy second-hand example of it back in. So we'll just have a quick look at the serial plate. There you can see it's 2017 build. It's a 6 metre model with the crumbler option. It's got the double helper tine, so that's a very strong tine. These tines are capable of going in primary cultivation quite deep first pass. Very similar strength to a Vibraflex tine on a Conskilled, but you will have a lot more across the 6 metres, a lot more tines. I'm not in the office obviously at the moment while I'm doing this video, and I can't remember the exact number of tines, but it's either 35 or 39 tines on a 6 metre, which is enough to make this machine double up as a seedbed cultivator, should you wish to use it for that. But it's strong enough a tine to use as a primary cultivator. So here's a really good example of a used one. We also have new ones available, and we do also offer the option of the V-ring packer on the new machine. So thank you for watching.